Hello, welcome. My name is Chris. This is my little Boxster channel. I decided to start this channel not because I want a YouTube channel, rather out of guilt. I bought a Boxster 986 in September of 2023, and I had no intention of really learning how to work on it. And a friend of mine, a work colleague, actually owns one as well. He's got a 1999, I've got a 2002. And so after I purchased the car, he sort of talked me into starting to work on a few things, some simple things at first, and then kind of getting into it from there. And was going in cold. I had no automobile experience. In fact, I was kind of a little, I don't know if embarrassed is the right word, but I'm a pretty handy person. I can do some electrical work. I build things for work. I've got, I'm crafty, I guess you could say. But the car world, for some reason, I just never had the courage to get in there, and which is weird because my dad is into cars, my uncle is way into cars, and I just never was into it. And my dad passed away about 4 years ago, and it's kind of a bummer because now this is something that he would be so excited to. I'm finally interested, and we can start working on this. So I really appreciate my mentor Kurt for getting me in there because there are quite a few really good YouTube channels out there on Porsche Boxsters specifically. I think we all know Help Me DIY, best one out there, in my opinion. Um, he's been so great to learn from, and I really appreciate the level of detail that he goes into. So definitely subscribe to that channel because if you own a Boxster or are going to own a Boxster, you will want to watch that channel. But there's not as many videos out there as you would think, especially on some things. Like, for example, there's a foam issue with the blend doors in a lot of these Porsches of that era. There's maybe 3 videos out there. So when I started to work on some of these things with my friend Kurt, I started to feel guilty that we were learning so many things on our own or watching various YouTube channels. And I'm like, maybe I should just start recording some of this stuff and sharing it. I don't know if anyone's going to watch it, but if there's just a video out there, it's my way of giving back. Call it good. So that's where we're here. I'm here. It's probably going to be a channel that's equal parts story time, equal parts learning how to fix stuff. I also have discovered, now owning my car for about 5 months, that there's such a community tied to the 986 Boxster, and I find that interesting. So you might find it interesting to chit chat about a few things. If not, no problem. See if there's a video that has a repair that you're looking to do. And if I don't have it, which I likely don't, go to Help Me DIY. He'll have what you're looking for. And be sure to subscribe to his channel. Yeah, so that's what this channel is going to be. I have a 2002 base model. It's 2.7 liter. I purchased it September of 2023. It's had about 50,000 miles, so it's pretty low mileage. I was really specific on what I was looking for. I wanted white, exterior 100%. And originally, actually, I wanted the blue interior, the black blue. But once I saw Savannah beige, I kind of switched my mind, which proved to be a lot harder to find, which is good and bad. It's good because it's more unique. I think it's a really good look. It's bad because it is a lighter color. So as you'll see in some other videos, the previous owner was pretty tall. He had the seat all the way back, so the roll bar paint has sort of rubbed off on the back of the headrest. So there's some downsides, but overall, I'm really glad I did the Savannah beige. I really like the way it looks. It just adds a little more, I don't know, it just seems a little more luxurious. The carpeted interior, which is in all of them, is it's still kind of funny. It's from the era, but that's what this channel is going to be about. I'll jump more into my journey of why I even bought one in the first place in another video. But thanks for tuning in. And if there's something useful here for you, that's why I'm here. So hopefully there'll be something there. And by the way, you can subscribe if you'd like. That'd be great. Can't guarantee any weekly videos or anything like that. I'm going to do what I can. So we'll see how many I can get out there. But I've already done probably 20 or 30 things to the car. Maybe not 30, like 20 things. And I started recording pretty recently, but there's definitely things I can go back retroactively and show you how it was done. So I just feel like I'll share that knowledge and we'll see what happens.